Hey there everyone, so as you can see on Atama, I'm going to show you how to change your number in Gcash, but same account. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to change your Gcash number, here's what you need to do. To update your number register in Gcash, you have to create a Gcash account using your new number. And make sure that is fully verified. Then after that, you need to request to transfer all the services and liquid account from the old number to the new one. But before that, make sure to go to the section that says Things You Need to Know. This part is really important. It explains why your account must be fully verified, and other things you should understand before sending a request. And after you read that, go to the section that says How to Request for Transfer. And yes, it's cold on a bit, and you will see a blue highlighted link that says Submit Your Request here. And just tap on that. Now you will need to fill out a form to confirm the account is yours. They will ask for your email address, your Gcash name, your old number, and your new number. And after that, just submit the form and wait for update from the Gcash support team. And that's it. Once they approve it, your Gcash input would be moved to your new number. So yeah, that's how to change your number in Gcash while keeping everything the same. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.